How to track in After Effects. Let's get into it. Begin with your footage already imported and the element that you want to add the motion tracking to. For me, it's this tracking title right here. Then select your footage, come up to Window, come down to Tracker, and this is going to open this tracker window right here. Within here, we need to choose Track Motion. Motion source is our video footage. Current track is Tracker 1 and track type Transform for this instance. Next, we're going to come over to the tracking point and zoom in our program monitor and then click and drag to select all the tracking points. Then hover over until you see the black and white cursor, which will allow you to click and drag this tracking point anywhere in your project. I suggest somewhere with an area of high contrast so that the software can track it properly. I'm going to extend the box of my tracker so that it has more area to work with when tracking this footage. Next, come back over to the tracker and then click on the play to track forward. This is going to analyze our footage here, and when you're finished you will see a bunch of tracking data on your program window like we have right here. Next, come over to edit target and make sure that your element that you want the tracking to apply to is selected. Mine is this tracking, and then choose OK and then click apply. Apply dimension should be X and Y and then choose OK again. Now, if I enable this layer and we play this back, we can see that it is following that area that we tracked, but it's not quite positioned right. We can fix this by coming into the drop down for the settings in Transform and Anchor Point and adjusting the anchor point settings until it's positioned where it's more suitable in our video. So I'm just going to move this slightly above so it's not right on top of that biker's head. Now, if we zoom out and play this back, we have a fully tracked element in our video, and that's all there is to it.